The topic of this presentation is effective delegation, a vital skill for successful teamwork and leadership. You will learn what delegation is, how to delegate tasks effectively, and why this skill is important. If you sometimes feel stressed and overloaded, then the skill of delegation may be of great use to you. It is absolutely true that you can do anything, but you cannot do everything. If you want to be successful as a leader, it is important to realize early in your career that you cannot achieve your goals alone. At first sight, delegation can look like more hassle than it's worth. However, by delegating effectively, you can hugely expand the amount of work that you can accomplish. Delegation means assigning some work to others and also giving them the authority to perform the task. Whether you're a team leader, entrepreneur, manager, delegation is going to be a major key to maximizing your productivity and keeping yourself sane during tight deadlines or large workloads. The problem is, many leaders don't know how to delegate effectively, and the results of their delegation are very poor. Let's look at how we can improve our delegation skills. Here are 4 steps to delegating a task effectively. 1. Choose the right task and the right person. 2. Explain clearly the action and the expected result. 3. Provide support. 4. Award and reward. Step 1. Choose the right task and the right person. The decision to delegate is usually made by someone in a position of leadership or authority. If you are responsible for delegation, then deciding which task to delegate can be difficult. It involves making decisions about which tasks to delegate and which members of your team will be most capable of completing the tasks delegated to them. If you haven't delegated properly before, start by deciding what tasks you currently perform that could or should be delegated to others. Look at your tasks and ask yourself the following questions. Is this task a task that someone else can do, or it is critical that I do it myself? To whom to delegate the task? Is there someone else who has or can be given the necessary information or expertise to complete the task? When deciding which person to delegate a certain task to, good leaders consider and balance important factors such as individual skills, workloads and opportunities for developing others, as well as promoting team productivity and team synergy. Step 2. Explain clearly the action and the expected result. When delegating tasks, you need to set clear objectives, measures and deadlines, providing a clear and illustrative explanation of the task as well as describe the expected outcome. When you delegate, you must effectively communicate how your team member will be able to reach the expected result. Effectively communicate any deadlines for completing all or part of the task. Then, agree any support that you will provide. Step 3. Provide support. You are responsible for supporting your team. If a team member doesn't know something, they must be confident that they can ask you for advice and help without you being angry with them. However, do not provide unsolicited assistance. Let them fulfill the task in a manner that suits them. Your way is not necessarily the only or even the best way. If the procedure leads to the desired result, you do not have to intervene. Step 4. Award and reward. If a team member is making mistakes, identify and use them as an opportunity for training and coaching. When your team member completes the delegated task proficiently, ensure that they are aware of the success. You should appreciate or reward the effort accordingly. If the delegated task has been completed above expectation, reward it or celebrate it together. Now let's repeat the 4 steps of delegation process. 1. Choose the right task and the right person. 2. Explain clearly the action and the expected result. 3. Provide support. And 4. Award and reward. To delegate effectively, choose the right task to delegate, identify the right people to delegate to, and delegate in the right way. Delegation allows you to make the best use of your time and skills. It also helps other people in the team grow and develop to reach their full potential in their organization. When you arrange the workload so that you are working on the tasks that have the highest priority for you, the other people are working on meaningful and challenging assignments, you have a recipe for success. Congratulations, you have just learned something useful. To learn more skills, visit our learning portal, which is completely free. All videos are available at the link unwind.work. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching.